In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the easy way to become a full-time copywriter making over 6 figures a year in 2023. And when I say the easy way, I mean the easy way, because look, we all know that there is 1,000 ways to skin a cat, all right? But some of them are harder than others and some of them are easier. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the easiest way known to man to actually get copywriting clients and start becoming a copywriter. Because look, either you haven't started copywriting yet, you don't know what it's like, or you have started copywriting, but you are struggling. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to overcome all of those struggles or avoid any of the struggles that you don't need to face in the first place. And now look, I don't mean to sound like one of those boomers who had to walk uphill both ways to school. I'm talking about, well, back in my day, I had to do all this crazy stuff, but it is true. Back in my day, okay, back in 2022, it was way harder to become a copywriter than it is now for a couple of reasons that I will point out to you. First of all, people talking about outreach, the people teaching outreach, it was terrible, okay? Nobody was getting any clients. Nobody knew how to actually outreach or get copywriting clients. It was all these terrible, cold email templates and everybody was failing. It was just a huge struggle. Second of all, there was no free courses or content on copywriting. If you look at YouTube, all of the good copywriting content came out in literally 2023. Before that, nobody was really even posting about it or talking about it, which made it a lot harder to learn. And lastly, but certainly not least, in fact, probably one of the most important aspects is that now everybody watching this video has access to artificial intelligence. Yes, believe it or not, I come from the days where there was no ChatGPT, there was no OpenAI, there was none of these softwares that actually help you write better copy in a shorter amount of time, which I will show you exactly how to utilize in this very video. Because first of all, nowadays with the advent of artificial intelligence, you don't even have to be that great at copywriting to be a copywriter. In fact, you don't even have to be that great at English to become a full-time copywriter. Why? Because literally just taking whatever copy you have, putting it into AI or ChatGPT and just using a couple prompts as simple as make this email better. Man, you can literally revolutionize your emails and revolutionize your copywriting. The barrier to entry when it comes to copywriting is lower than it has ever been. It can also help you write copy faster so that you can take more copywriting deals and make more money. It can also help you save your time and mental energy so that you can spend more of your deep work on other aspects of your copywriting business. So why exactly is this important? Look, as you start to become a full-time copywriter, you start to become a full-time entrepreneur, you're gonna learn very, very, very quickly that you only have a finite amount of deep work energy. That's that real ability to focus without getting distracted. Look, have you ever crammed for a test or just been overly mentally drained? Maybe you didn't have a good sleep last night and you're trying to do something that's cognitively difficult, like reading something or writing something or completing an assignment. Man, it is literally so hard. Every distraction becomes way harder to not indulge in. And that is because all of your deep work energy, all of your good focus is gone. And then if you get a good night's sleep and come back well rested and you're ready to work, now you can actually get return on your time. And see, when you go to places like ChatGPT to actually help you create the copy or get some inspiration or fix your copywriting up, it will make a world of difference in your time and in your energy. Now guys, if you want to know exactly what AI prompts to use and how to use AI in your copywriting and in your email marketing, I have a whole bunch of free courses on those that you should watch after this video, which perfectly leads me into my next point of why copywriting is so much easier now than it ever was, and how to learn copywriting in the easiest possible way is that now, man, y'all got so many free courses, not only free courses, but free resources and free tools that you can use to become a copywriter in the shortest amount of time possible without any of the struggles. Look, there are still tons of people out here who are trying to make you pay like $1,500 for a copywriting course, when in reality, okay, to learn copywriting, all you really need to do is go on YouTube. For example, I not only have a full 2.5-hour copywriting course, but also a full 4-hour copywriting course and a whole bunch of other 1-hour, 2-hour copywriting courses that cover everything from email marketing, sales funnels, outreach, and everything that you could possibly need to actually get all the knowledge you need to become a full-time copywriter. And not only do you get access to all of this information for absolutely $0, but the information that's out there now is so much better than it used to be. Guys, you ever hear that old definition of insanity? Something about trying the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Well, that is exactly what outreach used to be, okay, back in 2022. I will read you the whole big popular email template that everybody was sending. It's something about, hey man, I saw your website and I thought it really looked cool. You know, the colors were really dope. Anyways, I think that I could be your copywriter and make you a whole bunch of money, make money fall out of the sky with my emails. So I've made you a free gift of a 3 email sequence. Would you like me to send it over? That is literally what 95.89% of outreaches looked like in 2022. And when I tell you they were ineffective, man, they were not working. Didn't nobody open those or read those. And the crazy part is because everybody was learning from the same person and because everybody got the exact same template, we had creators out here that were getting that exact email that I just laid out for you 10 times every single day.
So like I said, I get these 5 to 20 times a week, pretty much the exact same thing. Most of them are word for word.
Okay, so that really goes to show you how effective those outreaches used to be. But now, man, I literally give out not only 1, 2, 3, but literally outreach after outreach after outreach method, and they're actually effective. I mean, people have been winning and making thousands of dollars from just the free courses that I have put out. So copywriting is literally easier now to start than it ever has been before. So there you have it. Now you have the easiest ways to learn copywriting in 2023. And guys, if you want a more in-depth, step-by-step actual process of how to start copywriting and how to do every single little thing, how to write the copy, how to actually write the emails, how to write sales pages, how to set up email automations, and literally every little thing that you could ever imagine, I'll throw some free courses on screen now that you can watch after this video. Anyways, guys, that is it for today. And of course, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.